Adventure seekers, meet your match. This one-owner 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 4x4 isn't just a Jeep, it's the ultimate freedom machine. Under the hood, a legendary 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you power, torque, and fuel efficiency in one rugged package. Plus, with the Sky One Touch power top, plush leather seats, Alpine premium sound, and advanced safety tech, this Rubicon is ready for both the trails and the town, priced among the lowest in the nation. Welcome back, friends. It's Sonja here at Woody's Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. Up front, that iconic 7-slot grille isn't just a Jeep's signature, it's a badge of capability. Rubicon's heavy-duty suspension and advanced off-road systems make it ready for rocks, mud, and everything in between. But here's something you might not know. This 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine gives you massive low-end torque for climbing steep trails without revving like crazy, making tough terrain feel like a Sunday drive. Swinging to the passenger side, you'll notice those deep tinted windows, perfect for keeping the cabin cooler and giving you extra privacy. And check out that Sky One Touch power top. With just one button, your Jeep transforms from fully covered to open air freedom in seconds. No manual latches, no wrestling, just sky above and adventure ahead. And at the back, the trailer tow and HD electrical group means serious hauling power. With a Class 2 receiver hitch, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, and a heavy-duty 240-amp alternator, you're set for towing your camper, boat, or even an off-road trailer. Jeep engineered this so you can bring all your toys without breaking a sweat. And on the driver's side, those 17-inch machine wheels with black pockets aren't just stylish. They're wrapped in aggressive off-road rubber that grips like a champion. The combination of form and function here is classic Rubicon. Look good while climbing mountains. Plus, those mirrors are packed with tech, including blind spot monitoring and park sense. And you've got auxiliary switches ready for winches, extra lights, or other overlanding gear. Inside, you're welcomed by these amazing Mopar leather seats that balance rugged durability with comfort. And then as we head over to your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you've got your cluster controls, your voice command, and your cruise control. You also have audio controls behind your steering wheel. And then as we head over to your upgraded media center by Uconnect, you've got your media controls so you can subscribe to Sirius. You can also connect via hands-free voice communication, very easy to do. There's your dual zone climate control, and you've also got your navigation, of course. You can enter an address, and then you've got that awesome backup camera with that front trailer camera, so you can see those big giant rocks and even clean your camera. And you've also got lots of apps, as you can see right here. I love traveling because it includes a lot of different services that you use quite often. And you've got those off-road pages as well. That's part of the Rubicon package. You can see your accessory gauges right there, your pitch and roll, and there again is your trailer cam. And you also have lots of different settings to really customize your driving experience. As we head down, you do have your media controls in button form right there. There's your sensors. You've also got 12 volt, your power windows, of course, your media hub. There's your axle lock and your off-road plus and your sway bar, and there's those aux switches I was talking about, and your transfer case, 8-speed automatic transmission, and you've got a nice little roomy center console with USB port. And as we look up, you do have your brushless transmitters and the controls to that Sky One Touch system that allows you to instantly go topless. Love how easy and fast that is. All right, so now we're in the back seat. Don't you just love this? Open air, super soft leather, comfy seats, power outlet, charging ports. Oh my gosh, so nice. And you can easily fold those seats forward. There's your tether anchors for your child safety seats. As we head to the rear, got that full-size spare tire, your LED tail lamps, your amazing tow package, that red tow hook, and on your key fob you get remote start. Opening that up, you've got lots of space back here. Look at that subwoofer. You're gonna get serious sound, amazing. And there's where you keep all of your hinges for your roof, windshield, and your doors. So let's recap. This 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon brings you the torque-rich 3.0 liter turbo diesel engine, Sky One Touch power top, leather seats, Alpine audio, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, and a fully equipped tow package. It's freedom, capability, and comfort all in one. And here's the best part. You can get pre-qualified without a hit to your credit at wowwoodies.com. Just click Get Pre-Qualified on our homepage, then check out the free Carfax history report at wowcarbine.com/Wrangler. Thanks again for joining us and for subscribing, and please comment below with any questions you have. I'm Sonja, until next time. Wow.